let's go ahead and open this baby up. So I actually got it yesterday, so I got distracted again, you know. Oh, hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl called Lynn. So for today's video, we are going to do an unboxing. If you are my returning subscriber, oh hello, welcome back. But if you're new here, consider subscribing and be part of my YouTube family. Hit the subscribe button down below and ring my bell so you get notified every time I post a new video so you can see me again. So without further ado, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm already all equipped with my scissor and let's open it up. Are you guys ready? So I actually received it this morning and I didn't expect it to be that quick, but luckily I got it. It gets quicker and quicker over time. My computer is sleeping on me. So it's gonna be a quick unboxing, but this time it's gonna be a real unboxing. This is already all sanitized. Everything. I usually leave the bags, but at this moment I already learned to just spray with alcohol. So I got it open. So here's the bags. Let's going to throw all this off the floor and give you guys a look in every step. So goodies are inside it. So there you go, guys. I try to adjust the camera so you all can see what I'm doing right here, because it's definitely, you know, unboxing. So open up with me. Just need to open up. Then there you go, as usual. Paperwork in the inside. And there you go. Nice dust bag. And the reveal. I actually got it in rebag, and this is the first time I ordered from them, and I am really pleased on what they offered. So let's go ahead and get the items out of this bag, but those are empty. Just gonna put it down, and let's raise our table up a little bit. Okay, make it fair and square. So this item is actually been in my wish list. I mean, for so long, I actually been wanting to purchase it, but it's the same as all the coveted items. I've been in a waiting list for so long, and then I just finally give up on it. But I grew a little interest again, so I started browsing. So enough with the talking. Can you guys tell? Comes with the bag right here. Let's go ahead and check this bag out. So as you can tell by the bags alone that this is an older model item, but it says on the, I am looking at my computer, it says in the description that is in excellent condition. And it comes with the dust bag and the bags. So let's kind of open it up. The reveal. It's the Louis Vuitton. Can you guys tell? Oh my god, I haven't seen any of this in person. So this is the first time I actually seen it. This is stinking cute. No wonder people have been dying to get this thing. I mean, not literally dying. I didn't mean it that way. So there you go, guys. I'm not quite sure how old it is, but it's not really, it doesn't say in the description on their website, but you can really tell by the way it came, that brown bags. If you're aware, we're already in that orange bag at this moment. If you guys can see, look how clean it is. It almost like brand new. and it barely seen any patina in the Bachetta, how you know how you pronounce that type of letter. And it made in France. It shows a little bit, but if you can look at it right here, from me, I can hardly see any patina. It's almost just like it came out from the boutique or from the online store. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here's the tag. Returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. So the tag will definitely going to fly off anytime soon. So this is such a cutie. I'm in love. She is not returning. And here is the serial number right here attached right in the inside. And as I can see right here, it's almost like it's never been used. It's definitely look brand new. I am not even kidding. And so what else? Let's see what else does it comes. It says Rebag right here. We'll see what's in it. So this is everything that comes. Tells you the serial number, the model. This is the mini pochette. I am super excited. So let's go back. Let's talk about our as I have said on my title, I pay premium for this item. It is usually just 350 online if I'm not mistaken, but I am going to attach the pricing on that one, and as a comparison of how much I pay for it in the Rebag website. I paid $475 for this item, but it's almost compensate for the waiting time that I have been doing. And considering they already went up on prices, I think it's a fair share that I paid more than it's supposed to be. But one thing that I also love about this website, they don't charge you shipping, they don't charge you any tax at all. I don't know, it's just because maybe of where I'm at, and I am so happy about that, because even online on Louis Vuitton official website, if you buy their item, they also the shipping is always free, but they charge you tax, and that's quite a bit, especially if you are end up buying $1,000 purse. So taxes may vary in every state, but it's still a chunk of money. But at Rebag, I am really like surprised and super excited, just because it doesn't charge me any extra at all. So I know what I'm getting and I know what I'm paying, and yeah, I highly recommend this website. As I have said, this is my first time I purchased an item with them, but as you guys can see, everything looks great and I am blown away. For those of you guys that doesn't have any of this particular item yet and still considering to buy it, the size and fit is 6 inches on the width, 4.5 on a height going up, and then it's 1.5 inches in the diameter. So right here, and the strap is 5.5 inches on the drop on the strap right here. So I am going to give you guys another look for this cutie. Oh my god, now I can understand why people are really wanting to wait for this item, but for me, I can't wait anymore another 2 years to get it, especially now that they are flaring on prices and it's getting I would say ridiculous, but my light just went off on me. And if you want to know what fits on this item, I'll leave your comments down below so I can make a sequel or a video just intended on what fits in my mini pochette. All right. And yeah, before I end this video, guys, I just want to tell you also that I would be traveling for the next week. I would say, but I am still going to upload a video. But I also planning to give it a little tweak. That I know I have a few or more requested videos, and I should be focusing on that one too. So I decided to just since I'm doing 2 videos every week, so one of those days I am going to do a video intended for those requested videos, and one video for unboxing or whatever it is. It's my way to give a credit for you guys for staying with me, and I really do love doing that, and it makes me feel happy that I will able to do whatever you guys wanted to see in my channel. And really appreciate your time. Hope you guys enjoy my video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Push that subscribe button down below and push the notification bell so you get notified every time I posted a new videos. And give me a like if you like this video. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!